Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test a pull request on GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that, you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, you click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle, identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that, it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, you will need to go to repository. After that, you will need to go to code and copy this URL, and then you will need to go to the GitHub desktop. So basically, then you will need just to click here and click add. You will need to clone your own repository so you can test all the pull requests that you want on this one. So basically you will add the repository or the URL that you have just copied. Then you will need just to click on clone. So now all you need to do is to go to a branch, and here you will need to create a pull request, or you can just preview the pull request that you want to see its effect. And then if you want to apply this pull request after you test it on this clone, you can just push it onto your origin or onto your GitHub repository. So basically this is how you can test your own pull requests on GitHub. Thank you for watching and see you next time.